Good morning all of you. In this video, we are going to discuss about hybridization geometry magnetic moment of NiCN 4 times 2 minus in Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry. This heading comes under valency bond theory, simply VPT, valency bond theory. First we have to write the IUPAC name of this complex. Tetra 4 cyanido kappa C nickel anionic complex, therefore name end with 8. Nickelate oxidation state of nickel in this complex is 2 and the name end with ion. Tetra cyanido kappa C nickelate 2 ion. First we have to write the electronic configuration of nickel Ni. Atomic number 28, the electronic configuration argon 18, the next electron enter into the s orbital according to alpha principle. So remaining 8 electron occupy 3d orbital. But in our example, nickel is in 2 plus oxidation state. So the electronic configuration of nickel, which is in 2 plus oxidation state, is argon atomic number 18, nickel 2 plus means removal of 2 electron from 4s orbital. We have to remove 2 electron from 4s orbital. Now the electronic configuration becomes 3d8 4s0. Now I am going to fill the electron in 5 orientation of d orbital. D orbital has 5 orientation: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared. S orbital has only one orientation. This is where 3d and the last one is 4s, 3d, 4s. How many electron in d orbital? 8 electron. According to Hund's rule, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons are filled in 3d. Now 4s is vacant. This is about central metal ion. Now I am going to write the nature of ligand. The ligand is Cn minus. There are 4 ligands mainly considered as strong field ligand. 4 ligands are mainly considered as strong field ligand. They are carbonyl cyanido kappa C, ethane 1,2 diamine and amine Cn minus cyanido kappa C is a strong field ligand. Is a strong field ligand. Is a strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. Strong field ligand. Cn minus is a strong field ligand. If strong field ligand is present in a complex, what happens? The strong field ligand pairs all unpaired electrons. Pairs all unpaired electrons. Strong field ligand pairs all unpaired electrons. So now we have to pair the unpaired electron and have to write the electronic configuration after pairing. This one unpaired electron is paired up. So after pairing the electronic configuration in box form, we have to draw after pairing how many orbitals orientation we have? dxy, dyz, dzx, dx squared minus y squared, dz squared, and 4s orbital. 3d 5 orientation and 4s only one orientation. After pairing, first orbital containing 2 electron, 4 electron, 6 electron and 8 electron. Remember, the vacant orbital start with 3d orbital at the same time. If pairing is over, we have to write. The pairing is over, we have to write the coordination number of nickel 2 plus. Coordination number of nickel 2 plus is 4. Because we have 4 cyanido in this complex, therefore coordination number equal to 4. If coordination number equal to 4, central metal ion provide the vacant orbital equal to its coordination number. Central metal ion provide vacant orbital equal to its coordination number. So central metal ion provide 4 vacant orbital, but now we have only 2 vacant orbital. Therefore, we can use the other orbitals present in 4s, fourth orbit. After 4s, the next orbital is 4p. dxy, yz, zx, x squared minus y squared, z squared, 4px, 4py, 4pz. So first one is the outermost 3d orbital, second one is 4s orbital, third one is 4p orbital. After pairing, this is the electronic configuration of nickel 2 plus ion after pairing. Now the vacant orbital start from 3d, d. We have 4 cyanido kappa C, that means Cn minus 1, 2, 3, 4. Cyanido kappa C, negative ligand, but we have only 4 ligand. That 4 cyanido share a pair of electron with the vacant orbital of central metal ion. With the vacant orbital of central metal ion. Now, the hybridization start from d orbital. What is hybridization? From this, you can easily write the hybridization is 1d and 1s and 2p orbital. dsp2 hybridization. dsp2 hybridization. If the hybridization is dsp2, the geometry is square planar. The geometry is square planar geometry. Square planar geometry. Now, we have to find out the magnetic moment. Before that, how to write the magnetic properties? Magnetic properties mainly whether it is paramagnetic or diamagnetic. Number of unpaired electron equal to 0. Number of unpaired electron is equal to 0. N value. Number of unpaired electron. If unpaired electrons are present, it is paramagnetic. Here, number of unpaired electron n equal to 0. N equal to 0. Therefore, this complex is diamagnetic in nature. Diamagnetic substances repelled by the magnetic field. Diamagnetic substances repelled by the magnetic field. Now we have to calculate magnetic moment. What magnetic moment? Spin only magnetic moment. Spin only magnetic moment. By using the formula mu s, spin only magnetic moment mu s equal to root of n into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. Unit of magnetic moment is Bohr magneton. N value equal to 0. Therefore, when you substitute 0 into 0 plus 2 equal to 0 Bohr magneton. 0 Bohr magneton. Now, how to draw the square planar structure of the given complex? The given complex is NiCN 4 times and 1 2 minus on the complex. Central metal ion in the complex is nickel Ni. Square planar corners of the square occupied by the ligand. Corners of the square occupied by the ligand. First join all the corners. Here you have one bond, another bond, third bond, fourth bond. In all the bond which ligands are present, cyanidocapacity. Cyanidocapacity means the donor atom is Cn. The donor atom is Cn. We have 4 Cn. Charge on this complex is, this is square planar, charge on this complex is 2 minus. Charge on the complex is 2 minus. This is tetracyanidonickellate 2 ion. Tetracyanidonickellate 2 ion. This is a hybridization, geometry, magnetic moment of tetracyanidonickell 2 ion. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.